Did you know there are some birds that don't migrate south for the winter?
See, what?
Yeah, and my favorite non-migrating bird is the Northern Cardinal. It's a songbird that lives in the United States east of the Rocky Mountains.
But it seems like a lot of work for a bird to survive in the winter.
Yup, but just like us humans, the Northern Cardinal has it all figured out.
Wait, they have HVAC systems heating their homes?
No, silly. Like us, they have shelter, food, and warmth to survive the winter. They hunker down in dense shrubs, bushes, or evergreen trees to protect themselves from chilly winds and storms.
Oh, that makes more sense.
They have an abundance of food in their territory, foraging on seeds, insects, fruit, and grass during the winter.
But what happens on the days when they can't forage for food?
Well, like a bear, the Northern Cardinal has fat reserves, which it uses as an energy source on those non-foraging days. And those fat reserves might only serve as insulation from the cold.
But if their shelter and plumpness don't protect them fully from the cold, how else do they keep themselves warm?
They have the ability of heterothermy.
Heterothermy, what? Is that some sort of superpower?
Kind of. Heterothermy is the ability to self-regulate body temperature by controlling the metabolic rate.
What? So cardinals can control their core temperature like firebenders?
Basically, the Northern Cardinal conserves energy throughout the day so it can keep warm.
Impressive. I think I'm gonna evolve heterothermy so I can save money on my heating bills. Evolve!
Whoa, have fun evolving. Did you know that non-migrating birds can also keep themselves warm by sunning, shivering, fluffing their feathers to trap warm air, and controlling blood flow to different parts of their body?
See what? They are so amazing!
Indeed. So there you have it. A non-migrating bird doesn't migrate south for the winter because it has an abundance of food, shelter, and it can self-regulate its body temperature. See you next time. Bye!